Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, December the 7th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, the jigsaw Sudoku. In Dutch they call it cyberblock, in Japanese Suguru. This one has 4 stars. And you are interested in this one, yes, boys and girls. This one, the binary puzzle. It's binary time. Let me pull this up, okay. Binary puzzle number. This will be number 7580. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 17 printed digits. It's a lot. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Here we have also 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Alright. Between the ones comes an O, double O. Here one, there one. Between the O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 ones in this row, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes an 1, between the O's comes an 1, between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one, double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the ones comes an O, double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And 4 1s we have here in the last row, so the rest are O's. Alright. Between the O's comes an 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. And 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 3 minutes. Well, we solve it again. Without comparing. And I like this one, yes, so we do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.